Hello friends and welcome to the Coin Engineer YouTube channel. Today I will talk about how to track your favorite coins, create your portfolios, see the upcoming, current and past launchpad projects, read news about the latest crypto events, earn rewards by collecting points, and do much more on a single platform. Ladies and gentlemen, meet with Cryptorank. But before we start, don't forget to subscribe to our channel, turn on the notifications, and join our Telegram community to keep up with more videos like this and upcoming events. Now, let's get started. You can sign up with your email, Google, or Facebook account to benefit more from this portal. After signing up, you can click on the spaceship icon to collect your daily rewards. Later, you can use these points as coupons. Here is a portfolio button next to that spaceship icon where you can create your own. The good part is you can either connect your wallet or create a manual portfolio. This way, you can track your assets faster and more accurately. For example, let's create a manual portfolio and add 5 Bitcoin at the price of 16,000 as my purchase price. I can also add other tokens by clicking on Add New Transactions button. Here I can track how much profit I made since I bought my coins, and I can see this info from the portfolio chart, my total allocation, and transactions from my portfolio option. You can also add favorite coins to your watch list. Click on the watch list and news buttons, set a name for your list, and add tokens from here. You can remove the listed coins or add new layouts such as circulating supply, price chart, volatility, total supply, and more. Here we have the products option, and you can access various tools such as a quarter, news aggregator, market data, and futures. Let's start with the futures. Here we can see the market data for futures, options, and exchange traded funds such as volume and open interest for Bitcoin and Ethereum on the market in different exchanges. Also, you can watch our futures tutorials to learn more about this market. You can decide if it is a good idea to open a futures position in any of these exchanges with this data. Widgets pretty much work the same way. The crypto price widget is a powerful and dynamic tool that provides market information and allows users to choose instruments, currencies, and backgrounds according to their preferences. For example, you can see the initial exchange offerings based on the return on investment rate. According to this data, Binance Launchpad is the leading platform amongst others. Let's continue with the application programming interface. You can generate APIs and use them for your business plan. The API is the middleman between the application and the web server. APIs simplify how developers integrate new application components into existing architecture. You can also build programs that run searches on the data the server is hosting and transform that information into a different, usable format. Here we have the converter option. You can convert the listed crypto and fiat currencies to see their market value. For example, I can see how much Ethereum I must pay to buy 1 Bitcoin. You can change the amount and the currencies based on your preferences. You can access the latest crypto news or search for the old ones through the news aggregator. And last, we have the alerts option. You can connect your Telegram account to receive the latest price movement notifications for the listed coins. For example, I can set an alert for Bitcoin if Bitcoin price falls or increases by 5%. I can adjust my parameters for the global average or specific exchanges such as Binance. Later, you can delete or edit your alerts from this dashboard. Let's move on to the maps option. Here you can track the cryptocurrencies based on the market cap, volume, and category on yearly, monthly, weekly, and daily performance ranges for all coins and tokens built, such as a blockchain infrastructure, stablecoin, and currency. We can see the data for every listed exchange, such as the adjusted trading volume and market share for spot and derivatives transactions. You can see the listed decentralized exchanges or the reported reserves of centralized crypto exchanges. Here is my favorite part, the IDO and ICO option. You can track the upcoming, current, and past projects and see the data of the listed launchpads based on how much profit they made for their investors. For example, Binance is the leading centralized launchpad with the current 20.62x and 194.76x all-time high revenue of investment rate. Or you can see the listed past projects based on how much all-time high they made and in which launchpad they started. You can adjust the search parameters based on your preferences. Also, you can see the detailed graph graphic data of these token sales and launchpads through your dashboard. Another good part about this option is that you can access the upcoming or past projects data such as their social media, contract addresses, listed launchpads, tokenomics, roadmaps, spreadsheets, summaries, and similar upcoming token sales. Speaking of token sales, let's continue with the investors of these projects. We have the funds option, and through here you can access the data of investment firms, projects based on their market cap, and analytics such as crypto fundraising trends and most active funds. Last but not least, we have the currencies option. Here you can decide what to see. For example, you can see the top 100 cryptocurrencies based on their market cap. You can click on the coin name to see the detailed versions such as price statistics, technical analysis charts, listed markets, specific news, arbitrage, and historical data. You can also watch our Bitcoin from the Scratch playlist to learn more about arbitrage, fundamental, and technical analysis. To summarize, Cryptorank is a one-click platform where you can access almost every data you need for any cryptocurrency, project, investment firm, decentralized and centralized exchange. Don't forget to drop a like under this video, subscribe to our channels, and turn on the notifications to keep up with our latest videos and upcoming events. Thank you for watching and take care until next time.